Hi, how are you all? Yes, today I'm going to tell you a story of a boy. The boy's name is Fakhruddin. The boy's name is Fakhruddin. He lives near Bhopal. And the story is written by Minu Thomas. Minu Thomas has written this story about a boy. He's a little lazy. He's a lazy boy and he just can't find a solution for his problems. Somebody has to help him always. So what happened? Like, I will give you a few examples what Fakhruddin does. If suppose he's watching TV, if power has gone, then you know what he does. Generally what you people will be doing, generally what everybody does, they will off the TV and they will go and do some work, or they will be they'll be sitting there and they'll be offing the TV, right? You know what Fakhruddin has done? He was watching TV, suddenly the power has gone. Then he started shouting, yelling, "Mommy! Mommy! Power चला गया देखो आके TV off कर दो मम्मी." Can't he get up and off the TV? That is Fakhruddin. You know, one day what happened? He was doing his homework. Suddenly power has gone. He started yelling again, "Mommy! Mommy!" बाजू में ही था कैंडल. He can't lit the candle. वो कैंडल को जला नहीं सकता क्या? लाइट नहीं कर सकता क्या? कर सकता है ना. फिर भी वो चिल्लाता है, "मम्मी मम्मी." Mummy has to come every time. For every small issue, if he is not finding pencil, mommy has to find the pencil and give. If he's not finding the book, mommy has to search for him and she has to give. He will not find the solution. Only he finds the problem and shouts, and somebody has to come. Mummy has to come and help him, or daddy has to come and help him. That is the situation of Fakhruddin. One day what happened? That was summer. Summer is hot. Oh God, right? Everybody want to drink cool drinks. They want to chill with ice creams. Yes? So on, that was a month of April. Fakhruddin went to school, and as he came back from the school, he saw that some electrician was there at home. He asked Mama, what happened? Why is that electrician is here at our home? Then Mama says, "अरे फखरुद्दीन, हमारा फ्रिज खराब हो गया." अच्छा. Then the electrician checks the fridge and he says, "अरे अभी ये फ्रिज अच्छा नहीं होगा. अभी तक 7 बार खराब हुआ है. मैं आके 7 बार रिपेयर कर चुका हूँ. अभी तो नहीं होगा इसके साथ. छोड़ दीजिए इसको. बाजू में रख के नया वाला फ्रिज खरीद लीजिए." हाँ, नया वाला फ्रिज? ये खराब हो गया, ये काम नहीं करेगा? मम्मी पूछती है. Then Papa says, "I can't buy any fridge. I can't afford now. मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं हैं अभी का फ्रिज खरीदने के लिए. 2-3 महीने तो लगेंगे मुझे पैसे जमा करने के लिए. बाद में देखेंगे फ्रिज के बारे में. अभी कोई नहीं पूछना मुझे फ्रिज खरीदो बोल के, ठीक है?" बोल के पापा बोलते हैं. फखरुद्दीन का देखो, उसके दिल में कोई तब पत्थर लेके मारा जैसा लगता है. क्या? इट्स हॉट समर. इतना पसीना होती है, इतनी गर्मी होती है. फ्रिज का पानी नहीं पिया तो कैसे मैं? ओ गॉड. मम्मी मम्मी, आप पापा से बोलिए ना फ्रिज खरीदने के लिए. मम्मा गोज एंड रिक्वेस्ट पापा, अजी फ्रिज खरीद लीजिए, इंस्टॉलमेंट में ले लीजिए. नहीं नहीं, मेरे पास इतने पैसे नहीं है. मैंने बोला ना, मेरे से अभी नहीं होगा खरीदना. कोई बात नहीं करेगा. अभी मुझे गुस्सा आ जाएगी कोई पूछे तो. 2 महीना वेट नहीं कर सकते क्या? पापा डांटते. हो गया. मम्मी मुझे ठंडा पानी चाहिए मम्मी. देखो फखरुद्दीन, अभी तक कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आती है, तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम मम्मी या पापा या कोई और सॉल्व करना है. टीचर, ये लोग सॉल्व करना है. अपना प्रॉब्लम को खुद सॉल्व करने लगो. अभी बड़े हो गए हो तो अपना प्रॉब्लम को खुद सॉल्व करो, ऐसा मम्मी बोलते हैं। तो फखरुद्दीन को पता नहीं है क्या करना है, बहुत उदास हो जाता है बच्चा। उदास होके ऐसा रो बाहर जाता है, बाहर जाके इधर उधर घूमने लगता है। मैं क्या करूं, मम्मी भी हेल्प नहीं कर रही है, मम्मी बोल रही है अपनी प्रॉब्लम को खुद सॉल्व करो, मैं क्या करूं। फ्रिज के पानी के बिना, ठंडा पानी के बिना समर कैसा गुजरेगा, ओ गॉड बोल के इधर उधर घूमने लगता है बच्चा। तो इतने में उसको आवाज़ सुनाई देता है, सड़े सड़े ठंडा ठंडा सड़े, कलर सड़े, नींबू का सड़े, प्लेन सड़े, समर में ठंडा ठंडा सड़े पीजिए, रिफ्रेश हो जाइए, सड़े सड़े। ये क्या, ये बंडी वाला एक गाड़ी ढकेलते हुए ला रहा है, इसके पास तो फ्रिज नहीं है, फिर ठंडा ठंडा सड़े कहाँ से देगा ये। जाके पूछूंगा, इसके पास शायद कुछ सॉल्यूशन होगा। he tells and he goes to that soda vendor, soda seller. अरे भैया आप हमें ठंडा वाला सोडा देंगे? हाँ हाँ ठंडा वाला ही सोडा देंगे हम आपको। कैसे भैया, आपके पास तो फ्रिज नहीं है? फ्रिज नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, देखो मेरे पास थर्माकोल बॉक्स है ना, सुबह सुबह मैं जाता हूँ, आइस खरीदता हूँ, इसमें डाल के ढक्कन लगा देता हूँ, शाम तक ये आइस पिघलेगा नहीं। अच्छा, मैं भी ऐसा वाला डब्बा खरीद के घर को लेके जाके इसमें आइस रखूँ तो शाम तक रहेगा, और ये आइस क्यूब पानी में डाल के मैं ठंडा पानी पी सकता हूँ। हाँ हाँ क्यों नहीं। अच्छा ठीक है, ये डब्बा खरीदने के लिए पैसे कितने होंगे? डब्बा खरीदने के लिए अराउंड 50 रुपीज़ होगा। 50 रुपीज़, और रोज़ आइस भी खरीदना पड़ेगा ना? हाँ हाँ सुबह आइस खरीद के ही डालना पड़ेगा ना, खुद जमेगा क्या? अच्छा ठीक है, देन आई विल, मगर आई डोंट हैव दैट मच मनी। मेरी किडी बैग में भी 30 रुपीज़ 40 रुपीज़ रहेगा, डब्बे खरीदने के लिए भी वैसे नहीं है मेरे पास, रोज़ आइस भी खरीदना है, नहीं नहीं ये नहीं होगा मुझसे। He says that he thinks that it's not possible with him to buy that thermocol dabba and put ice cubes. It's not possible for him. So what he does, his vexed at any cost he want cool water. He was walking and walking on the way, like there was one bench near the park, there was one bench and there was one pedal. That boy sees the muddy pedal there, and there was a bench near that. He goes and he sits on that bench and he sees that birds are playing in the mud. Oh, dirty birds! See how they are playing in the mud. Oh, gee, dirty birds. Like that he says. Then one old lady was sitting beside him. She says, no, don't say that. They are not dirty birds. See, it is hot day of hot summer. So birds are trying to cool themselves. That's why they are playing with mud. What? Does mud makes them cool? Yes, beta, mud makes them cool. Oh, if I put mud in my tumbler, will water get cool? Yes, of course. But you should not put mud in the tumbler. You should put water in the mud. Then it will be cool. What? What is that? That is a puzzle you have to solve. You should not put mud into the water glass, but you have to put water into the mud. Then water will be cool. Oh, what sort of puzzle is this? Can't you tell me the answer? You are puzzling me. Okay, I will only find out solution for my problem. No need anyone's help. How? We have to put water in the mud. Then water will be cool. What sort of mud is that? Children, do you know what sort of mud is that? In what we have to put water? In what mud we have to put water? You know that? If you know, think. What is the puzzle? Is Fakhruddin going to solve the puzzle first? Or are you going to solve the puzzle? You think of it. Then, he was thinking and thinking, thinking and thinking, thinking and walking. Then, he finds some dhaba there. Near that dhaba, outside the dhaba, they have kept big pots. In that pots there is a water, and there was a boat. You can drink cool water from the pot. The boy goes there and he takes the water and he drinks. The water was really cool. Then he sees the pot. Yes, I got the solution. The earthen pot is the mud. In that we put water. Water will be cool. He says, Eureka! Eureka! He says, he runs to the home. He says, Mama, Mama, I found out the solution for my problem. I do have around 30-40 rupees in my piggy. You give me more 30 rupees, I will go and buy earthen pot and I'll put water in the mud that is earthen pot, and water will be cool. Whole summer I can have cool water and you also can drink, Mama. He finds a solution. From that time onwards, the Fakhruddin, our friend, the lazy friend, started finding the solutions. He's no more lazy. Okay, children? I will give you puzzle. You also have to solve that puzzle. I will see how much you are thinking. Okay? And are you solving your problems? Small problems? Are you depending on your parents, like our friend, lazy friend? You can share with me how you are finding the solutions. Okay, children? Bye.